Today we'll be making pineapple tarts or pineapple pastries. Many people from different countries celebrate Lunar New Year, and this year it falls on January 29th. The Chinese often make pineapple tarts for New Year, and in Taiwan, there are so many bakeries selling these tarts and people buy for gift giving. Indonesia has something close to this called Nastar, but the shape is round. Nastar is eaten any time of the year, but also often used for gift giving. So let's get started. First, open 2 cans of crushed pineapple in heavy syrup and strain. You can use pineapple in the juice if you want. Then push the liquid out of the pineapple. Pour in the pan. Pour half cup white sugar and 1/4 cup light brown sugar. Cook on medium heat until pineapple looks like a jam. This may take around 15 minutes. Stir it constantly when it starts to thicken. You want it to be around this consistency. Turn off heat and let it cool completely. Line your plate and your scale with parchment paper. Measure 10 grams of pineapple jam and make it into a ball. You want to make around 17 balls. Here is the list of ingredients for the dough or for the pastry. Measure 125 grams butter, 45 grams powdered sugar, 2 egg yolks, 160 grams cake flour, 40 grams cornstarch, 50 grams whole milk powder, beat powdered sugar and butter on a medium speed for about 1/2 minutes while occasionally scraping the side of the bowl. Add egg yolks one at a time, beating after each addition. Total beating time from the first yolk until just before you add the flour is 1 minute. Add 160 gram cake flour, 40 gram cornstarch, and 50 grams milk powder and mix until combined. This is what it looks like. It's crumbly. Then you want to start using your hand to mix it and shape it. See how it will stay together when you shape it? Layer your scale with a piece of parchment paper. Shape the dough into balls. We want 2 balls, 15 grams and 10 grams, and cover the rest of the dough with a plastic wrap to keep it moist. Flatten the bigger ball, add the pineapple jam, and shape to cover the jam as much as possible. Then flatten the smaller dough ball and add to cover the exposed pineapple jam. It is okay that it cracks, you just shape it to cover the crack. Or add a little bit more dough to cover and shape again. This is what a pineapple tart mold looks like. Some are square, but I have the rectangle one. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Get your mold and tart ready. Watch how I roll and shape mine. You roll like making a short and fat cigar and put inside the mold, then flatten it. Flip the mold and flatten the other side. As you are working, the latter part of the dough will become drier even if you cover with plastic wrap. You can grease your fingertip lightly with butter when touching the dough, and as you work with it, your hand will become more oily. Watch how I fix the dough. You can pinch the crack gently to fix it, and I put it back in the mold again. Bake in preheated 300 degrees oven for 10 minutes. Take it out and flip the tart. Bake for another 10 to 12 minutes. Because every oven is different, you may have to watch yours starting at the 6th minute when baking the second time. Take it out from the oven and let it cool completely. This is what they look like. I have pineapple tarts wrapper like this. I can put my tart inside and seal it. You can put it in the box for gift giving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button so you don't miss an update. To my subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.